Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'm going to show you the easiest way to access your Shared With Me folder on Google Drive Desktop. If you've ever wondered why those shared files don't show up automatically on your computer, yeah, this will clear it up. So first, go ahead and open the Google Drive app on your desktop. If it's already running, cool. Just click the little drive icon in your taskbar or the menu bar. Now, here's the thing. Google Drive Desktop doesn't show Shared With Me directly in the File Explorer. You actually have to open the web version to access those shared files. So just click the option that says Open in Drive, or use your browser and head to your Google Drive homepage. Once the Drive webpage loads, look over on the left side. You should see a tab called Shared With Me. That's where every folder and file others have shared with you lives. So to make that shared folder show up in Google Drive Desktop, you need to add it to your main drive. Just right-click the shared folder and choose Add Shortcut to Drive. And yeah, this is what syncs it to your desktop automatically. A little window will pop up letting you pick where the shortcut goes. You can drop it into My Drive or any folder you want synced. Once you confirm, Google Drive Desktop will pull it in on your computer. Now just open your Google Drive folder on your computer. You'll see the shortcut show up, usually within a few seconds. And from here, you can open or sync it like any normal folder. If it doesn't appear right away, yeah, that happens. Just click the drive icon again and choose Sync Now. That usually fixes it. And that's pretty much it. Once you add the shortcut, your shared folders stay synced like any other file on your computer. Super simple. So yeah, hope this helped, and feel free to check out the rest of the tutorials if you need more Google Drive tips.